This is a paragraph structure you're going to use to instantly improve your grade in GCSE English. The paragraph structure you're going to want to use is PEE AZZ. P as. This is just an extension of P. We've all heard of P paragraphs or peel paragraphs. So what do these letters stand for? P is the point that you're making. You need to be able to fit this into a sentence. The first E is evidence. You're going to include a direct quote that will back up your point. The second E is explain. Explain how this evidence links to your point and explain it using key concepts you've learned in the class. The first Z is zoom in. Find a specific word or phrase or technique used in your quote and analyse it. The second Z is zoom out. Analyse why did the writer want to do this. Finally, A. A stands for audience response. How would the audience have responded to this in the time period?
It's a good method. It tells you exactly how to organise your paragraphs. But here's the problem. It tells you what to include, but it doesn't tell you how to think when you get there. It says analyse, but the question is how? It says zoom in, but what are you actually zooming into? So I want to give you 4 thinking moves that you can use inside any paragraph structure. I call it BEAT, B-E-A-T. B stands for belief. What does the writer believe? Your paragraph should never start with what happens in the story. It should start with what the writer believes about people, society, or human nature. That's what makes your response conceptual, and that's the word examiners are specifically looking for at grade 9. Now E stands for emotion. What feeling is the writer engineering in the reader? Don't just name the technique, name what it's doing to you. A is alternative. Offer a second interpretation. Use a phrase, or perhaps let's use it in practice. Or perhaps Dickens isn't just showing loneliness. He's suggesting that greed is a form of self-imprisonment, that Scrooge has locked himself in his own wealth. T stands for tied to context. Now connect the quote to the writer's real-world purpose, not just a bolted-on history fact. Make a direct link. You can say something like, Dickens wrote this for a comfortable middle-class readership. This image isn't just describing Scrooge, it's a mirror. He's warning his readers. This is what you become when you value profit over people. So in summary, BEAT stands for belief, emotion, alternative, tied to context. PS gives you the structure, BEAT gives you the thinking. Use both and you don't just answer the question, you beat the exam. If you want GCSE English strategies that actually move you from grade 6 to grade 8 or 9, follow me, because top grades don't come from memorizing acronyms. They come from mastering analysis.